Hey everyone, it's Kyle Prolux, and in today's video we're going to be covering the Prolux CTX Storm. We're going to do an unboxing, assembly, and how to use it with your CTX. So stay tuned. Alright, so here we have the Prolux Storm for the Prolux CTX. So we're going to go ahead and open it up. Got myself here a utility knife. Make sure when you're using a knife you don't cut yourself. There's this cardboard insert. You have the manual or the manual. Everything I'm covering will be found in our manual as well. Here you have the main Prolux Storm for your CTX. Here is the included carpet solution. Here's the hose handle pump. Again, here's the main shampooer. And then here is the wand. Alright, so here's all the included parts. Something that is not in the box, but we're going to start including them, are going to be these cord clips that go onto the CTX tool hose. And these cord clips are just going to keep the cord from the pump handle hose all secured to the hose, and it's not flopping around. So again, these are not in the box, but they will be included here shortly. And they come in a pack of 4, and I'll go over how to attach these. So now that we have everything unboxed, I'm going to get it out of its packaging, and then we'll show you how to set it up and connect it to your CTX. Alright, so everything's out of its packaging. Let's set up the Storm to be hooked up to your CTX. So you can assemble this in any orientation you want. I'm just doing it the way I like to. So to start off, I'm going to take the metal extendable wand. I'm going to attach it inside this neck pivot located on the Prolux Storm. Pretty straightforward. Just snap it in, give it a tug to make sure it's not coming out. Next thing you want to do is take these twisty ties off the power cord. Once you got the twisty ties off, you're going to grab this 2-prong and you're going to feed it up through this colored piece on the top of the wand. And then snap it into place. And then the final step, you're going to take the hose handle pump and you're going to connect it to the top of the wand. And here is where those 2 prongs connect to the hose handle to give the unit power. And that is how you assemble Prolux Storm for your CTX. Pretty straightforward. Now we're going to hook it up on the CTX. So this process is very straightforward. Make sure you have the tool hose connected to the water bowl port on your CTX. 2 more twisty ties on the cord coming off the hose handle pump, so take those off. And then take the 2-prong cord coming off the hose handle pump, and you're going to connect it to this power source right here above the hose. There's this little gray door. Just open it up and plug it in. Okay, so now that's connected. Now we need to take the hose handle from the tool hose and connect it to the hose handle pump on the Storm. Now we're going to attach these hose cord clips to the tool hose and then snap the cord coming off the hose handle pump into the cord clips. So you can put these wherever you want. They just snap on. And you can also slide them to adjust the cord clip. Okay, so we got all the cord clips. Snap them to the tool hose. Now we're going to take the cord coming off the hose handle and then snap it into the cord clips. Alright, so here we have the first cord clip. Okay, so now we got the cord all secured to the cord clip, so better cord management for sure. So now we have everything hooked up. I'm going to show you guys how to properly use the Storm. Alright, so now we're going to add water and solution to the tank. On the back side there's going to be some information. So what it says is 1 lid full of shampoo solution per tank of water for light shampooing and 2 lids full of solution for dirtier carpet. And then on this side there's just some cleaning and storage notes. So before storing the unit, empty the tank of solution and allow water only to be sprayed by the shampooer for 5 seconds. Make sure the tank is empty before storage. If you do not clean out the tank and the lines within the storm, the solution will dry and become crusty, and then you have a clogged unit. So this should only take a few minutes. I recommend doing it just to prevent your Prolux storm from clogging up. We're gonna add water to the tank. There's also a full water level, so go ahead and fill the water up to that line, and then we'll add some solution. Okay, so we got water added to the tank. Now we're gonna add some solution. I really hope this does not tip over, so I don't feel like cleaning up a bunch of water. So we're gonna add 2 lids worth of solution to the tank. I'm going to add just a little bit more because on my first lid, I spilt half of it. Okay. Then take the cap, screw it on, and then I usually just shake the tank up to get the solution and water mixed. So now we're gonna go add it to the storm and then shampoo a rug and show you guys how to use it. All right, so here we have the CTX with the storm hooked up to it. So the CTX is gonna need to be on the 2nd speed, which is going to be the vacuum speed. You can adjust the wand height to whatever is comfortable to you. And then once the CTX is on, to turn the storm on, you have this red toggle switch on the top. It needs to be in the I position for it to turn on when the CTX is on. On the back of the storm, you have this button. So right now the button is popped out, and that is going to dispense less water. If you push it in, it's going to dispense more water. So depending on how much water you want dispensed from a unit, you can either push the button in or pop it out. Alright, so that is a quick demonstration on how to use the Prolux Storm with the CTX. I wanted to give you guys a quick tip. If you pat your carpets and you feel like they're oversaturated, here's how you can pick up the excess water without dispensing more water and solution. And here's how. You're going to turn your vacuum on to the 2nd speed. You're going to make sure the toggle switch on the hose handle pump is in the off position. So this would be on, off. And then as you go over the path you just shampooed, it's going to pick up all that excess water, leaving your carpets more damp instead of soaking wet. Alright, that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions regarding your Prolux CTX or Prolux Storm, please email us at service@proluxcleaners.com. Or you can refer to the owner's manual, or you can leave a comment down in the comment section below. I'm Kyle with Prolux. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.